Welcome to the product walkthrough video for the Ultimate Store Kit. In this video, we'll guide you through all the incredible features and functionality that Ultimate Store Kit has to offer. Once you're on your WordPress dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll find the Ultimate Store Kit tab. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Ultimate Store Kit to access the main dashboard. This is the Ultimate Store Kit dashboard, where everything begins. At the top, you'll see 6 horizontally arranged tabs: Dashboard, WooCommerce Widget, Easy Digital Download Widget, Other Widgets, Other Settings, and License. Let's start with the WooCommerce Widget tab. Inside, you'll find a complete list of all the free and pro widgets offered by Ultimate Store Kit for WooCommerce. Each widget is listed with a toggle switch that lets you activate or deactivate it individually. In the top right corner, you'll see 2 quick action buttons: Activate All and Deactivate All, allowing you to manage all widgets at once with a single click. In the top left corner, there are 3 filter tabs: All, Free, and Pro. By default, the All option is selected, showing every available widget. If you choose Free, you'll see only the widgets included in the free version. Selecting Pro will display premium widgets available in the Pro version. Next, you'll notice the Filter by Page option. This lets you filter widgets based on their usage across different WooCommerce pages, such as New, Single, Archive, Cart, Checkout, My Account, Order, and others. There's also a search bar where you can quickly find any widget by typing its name. When you hover over a widget, 2 icons will appear. Clicking the eye icon takes you to the widget's live demo page, while the video icon brings you directly to its tutorial video. You'll also see 2 additional indicators showing how many widgets are currently being used and how many remain unused. Moving on to the Easy Digital Download Widgets tab, here you'll find widgets designed specifically for the Easy Digital Downloads plugin, a popular third-party solution. Hover over any widget, and you'll see a download icon. Clicking it will download the Easy Digital Downloads plugin. After installation, click Activate Plugin. Once activated, you'll notice a new Easy Digital Downloads menu appear in the left sidebar. Now, return to the Easy Digital Download Widgets tab, where toggle switches will appear beside each widget, allowing you to enable or disable them as needed. Next is the Other Widgets tab. This section includes additional widgets developed exclusively by Ultimate Store Kit. These unique tools can be used flexibly across your site wherever you need them. Now, let's explore the Other Settings tab. One standout feature here is Variation Swatches, which enhances the way product variations are displayed on WooCommerce product pages. This feature allows you to present variations using stylish colors, images, labels, or buttons, making product selection easier and more appealing to shoppers. To enable Variation Swatches, first turn on the feature. Then, head to the Attributes section under the Products tab. Here, you can create or customize attributes. To add a new attribute, simply enter a name and slug, choose a display type, and click the Add Attribute button. On the right, you'll see a list of all your created attributes. The final tab is License. This section provides an overview of your license status, including your license type, expiration date, and license key. Now, hover again over the Ultimate Store Kit tab in the sidebar and click on Template Builder. This powerful tool lets you design custom layouts for different WooCommerce pages, giving you full creative control over product pages, archive pages, the cart, checkout, and even thank you pages. To create a new template, click the Add New Template button. A pop-up will appear where you'll first choose the template type. Then, enter a name for your template. Below that, you can select either active or inactive depending on whether you want the template to be immediately applied or saved for later use. Finally, click Create Template, and your new design will be ready. Let's take a quick look at the editor to see how Ultimate Store Kit's widgets perform. On the left panel of the editor, you'll find all the available free and pro widgets. To add a widget, use the search bar, type something like Florence Grid, and once it appears, drag and drop it onto the editing canvas. Within the Content tab, head to the Layout section, where you'll find multiple settings to refine the look of your shop. These include options for style, columns, column gap, row gap, alignment, image resolution, column filters, and pagination. Tweak these to create your ideal layout. Next, open the query section to manage which products appear on the page. Use the Include and Exclude subtabs to filter your products based on specific rules, so you're always showing the most relevant items. Then, in the Additional Options section, explore the 3 subtabs: Content, Badge, and Action button. These let you control visibility for elements like the product title, category, rating, and price. Under the Badge tab, you can enable labels like Sale, Discount Percentage, Stock Status, Trending, New, and define how many days a product is considered new. Switch over to the Style tab for deeper customization. From typography to color schemes, you'll find all the tools you need to align the widgets, look with your brand identity, and user experience goals. Just like Florence Grid, you can also explore other powerful widgets such as Glossy Grid, Shiny Grid, Florence Carousel, and many more to give your product display a fresh and engaging design. And that wraps up this complete walkthrough of the Ultimate Store Kit. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy building beautiful, conversion-optimized stores with our plugin.